In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import spreadsheet data into Monday.com's fast and easy. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and maximize productivity, integrating your spreadsheets directly into Monday.com could be a game changer for you. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, we'll start from the main dashboard of your Monday.com account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see a prominent option labeled Plus Add. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with a variety of options for adding new elements to your space. From this menu, locate and select Import Data. This feature is beautifully designed to make the transition from your spreadsheets into Monday.com as smooth and efficient as possible. Once you select Import Data, you'll be presented with a choice between two common spreadsheet types, Excel and Google Sheets. Both formats are supported, so choose the one that corresponds to the data you wish to import. If you're using Excel, make sure your spreadsheet is saved locally on your computer. For Google Sheets, ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the file from your Google Drive. Now that you've selected the appropriate spreadsheet format, it's time to focus on how your data will appear in Monday.com. This is where you'll map your columns to match Monday.com's design. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your data aligns correctly with the structure of your board. Take note of the fields you have and match them to the corresponding columns Monday.com provides, such as task name, due date, and any other custom fields you may use. If there are columns in your spreadsheet that don't directly correspond to an existing column in Monday.com, you may need to create new fields to accommodate that data. This mapping process is designed to be intuitive, so take your time here to get everything just right. After you've fine-tuned your column mapping, you're ready for the final step, completing the import process. Proceed to finalize the import, which will begin the addition of your spreadsheet data directly onto your Monday.com board. This can take a few moments, depending on the size of your file, so a little patience here goes a long way. Once the import is finished, you'll notice all your items neatly arranged on your board, ready for you to manage and organize as you see fit. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully imported your spreadsheet data into Monday.com, paving the way for a more integrated and efficient workflow. This method is not only fast and easy, but also customizable to your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.